इस रेसिपी को उर्दू में देखने के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद लिंक को क्लिक करें। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू अस्मा's kitchen. I am Asma. Today I am going to share a very easy way to make caramel sauce, also known as toffee sauce. Give this recipe a try and let me know your feedback, and for your assistance there is a recipe card in the end of the video. So here are the ingredients. You will need cream half cup, butter half cup or 100 gram, brown sugar half cup. Now firstly, add brown sugar in a pan. Then add butter. And cream. And mix them on low medium heat. And keep mixing it until you get smooth, thick consistency. Now its consistency is perfect. Everything is mixed all together. Turn off flame. Caramel sauce or toffee sauce is ready to use. I am dishing it out. That's it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Subscribe, like, share and look me on Instagram and Facebook, and don't forget to comment below. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching.